Hello guys, this is how Calscape California Native Plant Society describes this plant. It is called Nude Buckwheat, or Eriogonum Nudum, is a perennial shrub in the wild buckwheat family that features a striking upright form. It has a basal rosette of flat green leaves from which tall, bare stems rise, reaching up to 6 feet. At the top of these stems, rounded clusters of white, pale pink, or yellow flowers bloom, adding delicate color to the landscape. This adaptable plant has one of the widest ecological distributions of all buckwheats. It thrives in environments ranging from wet coastal areas to the cold, dry elevations of the Sierra Nevada. While the species is generally common, certain varieties are rare. Nude buckwheat is easy to grow and looks especially beautiful when planted in groups for a massed effect. The nectar-rich flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, while its seeds provide food for birds. Additionally, the plant serves as a host for caterpillars, supporting native ecosystems. The size ranges from 6 to 12 inches tall and 4 to 7 inches wide. Okay, this is what the buckwheat looks like now. I am really amazed at how it has changed the color of its foliage. Look at that. And you see shades of really dark red, blood red, burgundy, and even orange. So it is just a very beautiful plant. I'm not sure if it's due to the sun that it has changed some of its foliage color, but it's just really beautiful. And as you can see here, some of the stems are already growing up, and if it's true what Calscape says, that some of these stems or flower stalks will grow up to 6 feet, that's just going to be a very beautiful sight. And then also the main reason why I bought this plant is due to its columnar growth. It doesn't take up too much space, but it grows upward, and I'm always looking for plants that grow this way, and it'll really accentuate that statue very nicely. Like all my California native plants, I make sure that the soil is very well draining, so I have to really amend the soil and add a lot of sandy, grainy soil to the clayey soil that I have. So most likely it's a natural response to the sun, the way it's changing or putting on these beautiful colors, because it looks healthy. Because I know what yellowing looks like when it's either getting too much water, because I think there's a difference between a healthy yellow and a sick yellow, a sickly looking yellow. So all in all, because again, it's putting on those stem growth, so I think it's in a good position right now, and it's getting plenty of sun, and it has a very well draining soil.